We will see examples of data types and variable. First we will see int. Int, then declare the variable name is equal to any value after the end semicolon end, then write console dot write line for print output and write the num semicolon enter console dot read key for read the answer. After the end we will see float. Declare any variable name different but is equal to 2 point semicolon enter. Also same write console dot write line write the variable name semicolon enter console dot read key empty parenthesis semicolon. Then we will see string. String is used for any sentence. Name, variable name is name is equal to write any word or sentence after the semicolon console dot write line write variable name semicolon enter console dot read key empty parenthesis semicolon enter. After the string we will see double variable name is my num. Make sure all data types variable name is different. If we will use same variable name, error throws. Then value semicolon enter console write variable name after the double we will see char. Char used to declare any single character, any letter declare in single quote. Semicolon enter console dot write line empty parenthesis write variable name semicolon enter console dot read key empty parenthesis semicolon enter. Then we will see bool. Bool is C sharp is equal to true, semicolon, enter, console dot write line semicolon, enter, console dot read key, empty parenthesis, semicolon, enter. Both used in a if and else statement. After this session, we will see how to use if and else statement. Equal to false. Just we will see how to write data types and variables and value, how to declare it. Then we will run the program. Just a minute. We will see declare int value, float value, name, it means string, then double, char, bool, true or
Please share, like and subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.